Good evening, ma'am. I'm Devrupashri from ECE section. My topic is functions in C. First, what is a function? A function is a block of statements which performs a specific task. C program is divided into different functions. Each function performs specific tasks. It acts as a modular unit allowing to break down a complex program into smaller, more manageable and reusable pieces. It is a block of code that performs a task. Next, types of function in C. There are two types of functions. First is built-in function and second user-defined function. Built-in function is also known as library standard function or predefined function. The definition of this function will be provided in specific header files of C programming language. Example for this function is declaration in header file, body in DDL file, printf, scanf, getS, putS, getC and putC. Next, user-defined function. It is a series of instructions that are to be executed more than once. There are four types of user-defined function. Function with argument and no return value, function with argument and return value, function with no argument and no return value, function with no argument and with return value. Next, function declaration. It is a statement in many programming languages that defines a function's name, return type, parameters and body. It tells a compiler that a function exists and what it looks like. Syntax. Return data type followed by function name, data type of parameters. Example, int add, int x, int y. Here int is data type, add is function name, int x, int y are data type of parameters. Function call. It involves a function and is responsible for the execution of that particular function. Syntax. Function name, arguments. Example, int sum is equals to add 3, 5. Here int is data type, add is function name and 3, 5 are argument 1 and argument 2. Function definition. There are three parts of function definition: local declaration, operation, return part. Syntax. Return data type, function name, data type variable 1, data type variable 2. Local declaration, operation and return type. Example for function definition: int add, int a, int b. Here int is data type, add is function name and int a, int b are parameters. Int sum is equals to a plus b, return sum is return statement. Let's see a program on this function. While writing a program, first we have to declare the function, function call and function definition. # include a standard input-output header file. Add numbers, int a, int b. Here int is data type, add is function name, int a, int b are data types of parameters. Sum is int main, int number 1 is 5 and num2 is taken as then their sum. Sum is equals to add numbers int 1, int 2. Now we have to print the sum of two numbers. Printf sum of %d and %d is %d. Here first %d is referred to number 1, second %d is referred to num2 and third %d is referred to their sum. Return 0. Int add numbers int a, int b. Int is add is function name, int a, int b are arguments. Int result is equals to a plus b, their sum, int result. Here is another example for the program. Here int num1 is taken as 12 and num2 is taken as 10. Their sum is num1 plus num2. Printf total is %d total. Output. The sum of two numbers is 12 plus 10 is 22. Advantages of this function: code reusability, easy debugging, reduces redundancy, easy to learn, structured language, it produces efficient program. Thank you.